guys, today's DIY video is on how to make a Dollar Tree chandelier. I'll be starting off with a Dollar Tree tray. I'm going to cut out what I need to attach at the back of the tray from a leftover foam board. I did not use hot glue to attach the board to the tray because it could melt it and that will make it look a little bit wrinkly. So I'll be using a much safer but stronger adhesive. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. It is gonna get properly set before I finish the project. I'll be using embroidery hoops for this project as well, and I use 2 different sizes. I spray painted them silver and kept them aside. I'm also going to be using dowels for this project. I'm going to measure out the embroidery hoops on the Dollar Tree tray. Now I'm going to make 3 points on each of the circles. That's going to guide me on where I'm going to have the dowels inserted. I'm going to have a push light mounted on the ceiling. So because of that, I'm going to measure the size right here in the middle and then carve it out. I'm using a larger drill bit to make it easy for me to have the holes on the tray and through the foam board at the back. The shorter dowels are what I'm going to insert on the first circle, and then the longer one on the second circle, and the longest is going to be at the middle. Remember that the dowels are going through the foam board, as you can see here at the back. When I'm done inserting all of the dowels, I'm going to add glue there to make them stay in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the embroidery hoops to the dowels. The 10 inches hoop is going to be to the dowels that are on the outside. And then the 6 inches hoop is going to be to the dowels that are in the middle. I just used hot glue to keep them in place. Now I'm going to go around with a stronger adhesive to make sure that it don't go off. I'll be using Dollar Tree cups for this project. And these are water glasses. Well, that's what they call them. Now I picked these from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to be using 7 packs for this project. The first set is going to be glued around the lip of the tray. And throughout this project, I'm going to be using a hot glue gun and a strong adhesive that I also got from the Dollar Tree to attach the cups. The next set is going to be on top. Before attaching the next set of cups, I'm going to have 3 cups attached together to attach them at the very top before I continue. I would like to cover the bottom part of the cups, so I'm going to be covering a poster board with mirror reflective paper. The list for all the items used in this project are going to be down in the description box below. If you don't want to use poster boards, you can also use plastic. I'm going to have this mounted to the ceiling with command strips. The dowels that are poking out at the back made it a little bit irregular, so I'm going to be gluing on foam boards to some open parts to level it up. And here's what it looks like when it's mounted on the ceiling. Remember, the push light was already there, so all I did was just to mount it and making sure that the push light is going to be in the middle. I later brought this down to see what it was going to look like when it's suspended from the ceiling. That way, it would look more like a chandelier. I made holes where I'm going to pass the zip ties through to hold the dowel to make it easy for me to have this suspended. I'll be passing this chain through a book ring. What I've just made is not heavy at all, so it's going to be mounted on a cup hook. And the lights that I used for this particular style were attached at the top after making holes, just the way I made the hole for the other one in the middle. This looks so cute, either suspended or flush to the ceiling. I do hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.